The story of Donald Trump's New York rally with Elon Musk. In busy New York City, a big event was happening. Former U.S. President Donald Trump held a major campaign rally at Madison Square Garden. This was not just any rally. It attracted a lot of people, including Trump's supporters and even famous tech CEO Elon Musk, the head of Tesla and SpaceX. At the rally, Trump walked on stage with a confident smile. The crowd cheered as he began to speak about his goals for America's future. Sitting close by, Elon Musk watched and listened. Musk wasn't there just to show his support. He had also donated over $75 million to Trump's campaign. To add more, he promised to give $1 million each day in key states until Election Day to help Trump gain more voters. Trump's vision for America. During his speech, Trump shared his main plans for the country. He spoke about the economy, energy, immigration, and education. Here's what he promised. Growing the economy. Trump plans to lower taxes for middle-income families and businesses. He believes that by doing this, companies will stay in the U.S. and create more jobs, which will make the economy stronger and keep money within the country. Energy independence. Trump wants the U.S. to produce its own oil and gas, so it doesn't need to rely on other countries. He also sees Musk's tech skills as helpful for creating cleaner energy, which could support his goal of economic growth. Immigration and border control. Trump spoke strongly about border security. He wants to finish building the U.S.-Mexico border wall and plans to deport immigrants with criminal records. He believes this will protect jobs for Americans and make the country safer. Supporting the military and police. Trump promised to increase funding for both the military and local police. He believes this support will make communities safer and help the police enforce immigration laws. Education and school choice. School choice. Trump wants to give parents up to $10,000 per child to choose the best school, whether public, private, or charter. Patriotic education. He supports teaching American history with pride, avoiding topics he sees as divisive. Parental rights. Trump thinks parents should be involved in school decisions, even voting on school principals. School safety. His plan includes adding more security to keep schools safe. Reducing administration costs. He wants to cut extra administration roles so that more money goes directly to classrooms and teachers. Elon Musk's support. Elon Musk showed his support not just by attending, but also by giving financial help. He has donated over $75 million to Trump's campaign PAC, called America PAC. At the rally, Musk said he values Trump's focus on freedom, especially the freedom of speech and the right to own guns. His donations in key voting states aim to encourage more people to vote for Trump. Reactions to the rally. Trump's supporters were excited about his focus on economic growth and border security. Some people, however, were concerned about his strong stance on immigration. The media focused on Musk's large donation, noting that his influence in technology and business added attention to Trump's campaign. As Election Day gets closer, Trump plans to hold more rallies across the country with Musk's backing. He hopes his ideas will attract new voters and strengthen his base. Vocabulary to learn. 1. Campaign. Meaning, a set of activities planned to achieve a goal, like winning an election. Example, she joined the campaign to help her favorite candidate win. 2. Supporters. Meaning, people who agree with or help a person, group, or idea. Example, the supporters cheered loudly for their leader. 3. Donated. Meaning, gave something, often money, to help others. Example, He donated clothes to help families in need. 4. Economy. Meaning, the system of money, trade, and business in a country. Example, when the economy is strong, more people have jobs. 5. Border. Meaning, the line that separates two countries or areas. Example, the family visited the border between the two countries. 6. Deport. Meaning, to send someone back to their own country. Example, the government decided to deport the man back to his country. 7. Administration. Meaning, the group of people who manage an organization or government. Example, the school administration made new rules for students. 8. Freedom. Meaning, the right to do what you want without restrictions. Example, people enjoy freedom of speech in many countries. 9. Voters. Meaning, people who vote in an election to choose leaders. Example, the voters lined up to choose a new president.